How to transfer USDt from OKX to Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about transferring USDt from OKX to Binance. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Binance. And then after, make sure that you have logged in with your specific account. Now simply access your wallet and then click on Add Funds. Then click on Deposit Crypto. After that, click on the search icon at the top and then search for USDt. Once you find it, click on it. Now you have to select your preferred network such as TRC20 and copy your deposit address. Simply tap on TRC20 and then go to your deposit address and copy it. As my account is not verified yet, I'm not getting the deposit address, but if you already have verified your account, you will automatically find your deposit address in this field over here. Now what you have to do is you have to open your OKX. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now click on the 6 dots at the top left corner and then click on the withdraw option, that is between the deposit and P2P trading in the manage assets section. Tap on it. Before going through the process, you need to verify your identity. Now there you have to look for USDT and then click on it. Since you're transferring from a third-party exchange, choose on-chain. And then paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Select network, ensure that the network is set to TRC20 as well, and enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and choose your withdrawal account. You will see a preview of your USDT balance and ensure that it's correct. Then finally click on the submit button at the bottom of your screen, and once done, your USDT will be transferred OKX to Binance. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.